Here's a 2015 Toyota 4Runner, and the passenger windshield washer nozzle is no longer working. This is a pretty simple project, and you can do it at home with these two items. I opted to go to Toyota and purchase the OEM windshield washer valve. I'll include the part number in the description. It cost about $35. I'm also going to be using these Watato trim removal pliers. I purchased these on Amazon for about $13, and they also came with two pry bar style trim removal tools. So first things first, you need to remove the hood insulation. There's 10 clips holding this into place. Use the trim removal pliers much like a set of needle nose. You want to grab the base of the clip and gently pry away from the hood. All right, I only had to remove 6 clips. I left the 4 clips closest to the windshield on, and I was able to pull the hood insulation down, which exposes the windshield washer valve. To disconnect, you grab the tubing and gently pull away from the valve. You also notice there's an arrow pointing towards the driver's side of the vehicle. Pay attention to that, as well as the tubing orientation. You want to install the new part the exact same way. All right, here's the new valve. To install, simply grab the pieces of tubing and shove them into the same barbed ends as the old one. And again, remember that little arrow on top and how it's supposed to be pointing towards the driver's side of the vehicle. All right, I reinstalled the hood insulation, so let's test it out. Looks like that fixed it. Thanks for watching, and if you like this video, please like and subscribe.